Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong from Armstrong Lutherie, the Brisbane Guitar Making School, and I just wanted to show you these fantastic bridge clamping vacuum clamps for guitar bridges from guitartemplates.com.au. It comes in two sizes, this large one and also a smaller one, which is ideal for ukuleles and smaller instruments. They have a rounded end, they're made from HDPE, they're nice and smooth, they're lightweight, they're still strong, and much less likely to damage your instrument if you happen to bump it while you're doing this. As I said, it's a vacuum clamp, so you need a vacuum source. Guitar Templates supplies this very neat little vacuum jig. It consists of a vacuum ejector, a hose fitting and some black tubing. And so long as you've got an air compressor capable of delivering around 60 psi, you'll be able to generate all the vacuum you need with this simple device. Let me show you how it works. We've placed the bridge on the guitar. We're not going to actually glue this one on, by the way, but show you how it works. Place it where you need it to be. Plug the tube into the end of the clamp. Just pushes in, very simple. Align it over the top of the guitar. Take your compressed air hose, plug it into the other end. It's immediately starting to suck. Simple little pressure on to engage the seals around the bottom, and there you have it. Even pressure over the full area of the bridge. Translucent silicon rubber membrane allows you to see exactly what's going on. You can see the glue squeeze out. You can see if there's anything not quite right. You've always got time to take it off and reset things. Leave it there for about 5 minutes. Simply fingers over the holes will release the vacuum, clean up any glue and put it back on again. Leave it for about 30 minutes, job's done. So this has changed our life here in terms of gluing bridges on. It's just fantastic, it's simple, it's quick, and it's almost foolproof. So guitartemplates.com.au.